Alright, here's my website. It's Outland Studios. You can find it at outlandstudios.store. This website's purpose is to provide an outlet for Carly to display her art and also a way for people to buy any art if they so want to have some of it in their house. So we have the shop here. We're using the Equid Shop feature that was provided in the class. Lets you see each thing. You can go in, get a better look at the picture here. You can add it to the bag if you want. Gives a little description of each piece, giving you the size and the medium that she used to paint it. We can go back. There is the shopping bag up here from each page, so if you wanted to add something but you still need to go through the website any sort, you can find it up here on any page and come up here if you would like. So this allows us to provide the art for everybody. There's also links to the portfolio where you can see all of her past art. We'll continue to update this as she continues to make more art that she wants to display. And we've got this contact form here, which you can put in your information, anything you want to ask about, send a message. It sends us an email using that PHP and that extra video. Very basic, but it works. So that was nice once I was able to figure that one out. Basically, our target audience is anybody who's looking for some handmade art to put in their house, or anybody who just wants to look at some art. It's nice to look at. So for our color schemes, we kind of went for the more natural, outdoorsy look with those natural greens and the blue. And then with the background being that more gray, we're kind of going for that almost moodier look that she wanted. We did end up lightening it up. We did get a lot of feedback saying that the website looked too dark, so we lightened it up. It's still not white. It's a lighter gray. We still wanted to get that filling in, kind of this cloudy look to it. We've got a little quote down here. We did keep the text down kind of sparse because we want to outline the art is the most important thing here. We don't want to take away from the art. And with each of these are all thumbnails, so you can click on them. You get a full page view of them. You'll get to see what it looks like at a higher resolution. And still your page will load at a decent rate. I think the thing that takes the longest is the shop feature, which I don't have a ton of control over because I am using that external app for the shop. If we come back to the home, you see, so some of the feedback that I did get was that we should add more text to these links, so I tried to add a little more, but like I said, I was trying to keep it pretty sparse. I want to feature the art more than I want to feature anything else on this website. One of the things that I do like that I was able to do, I was able to create a pretty good responsive web page, I feel like, using Grid and Flexbox. I actually think I ended up just using Grid. Let's see if I can see where that is real quick. Nope, that's not what I wanted. If we look through here, it likes to hide. I always have a little bit of trouble finding. There it is. So then if we come down here to our main, yeah, so I did end up using a grid styling where it goes the 3 pictures wide, and then it'll drop to a 2 pictures with 1 centered and down in the middle. And then once you drop down a little more, you just end up with 1 in a row. And that goes throughout the page on the portfolio. The page, we go from, can drop down a little more before it goes down to the single per, and at the largest it should be 4 pictures wide. We did try centering these telling pictures. We felt like it looked better with it all left justified. So that's what we did there. Let's see what else. One of the things that I'd like to add to the website that I didn't have so far would be, once I get down to this more mobile sizing here, I want to learn how to put in one of those hamburger menus so that I can keep it sticking to the top and allow the user to be able to access the menu whenever they want. I was leaving this menu sticky at the top for a while, but once you get scrolling on some of them, the menu takes up about half of the screen on like your typical phone. Even on big phones like, I don't know, the pluses, it's, when the menu is sticking, as you can see, it's almost half your screen. So I did eventually just make it so that it will just scroll up in a way. So once I hopefully become a little better at this stuff, I'll learn how to put in those hamburger menus, and I think that would be a nice added way for somebody to navigate the page and get a look at everything. And I feel like our target audience is people looking for homemade art. They're gonna like the moody color scheme that we put on here. It's a little more artsy. We're able to get the clean text throughout, match our logo. And I feel like this website, as it continues to expand, will just be a great place for Carly to display her art. And if we can get some recognition out there, maybe start selling more of it. But if not, it's just nice to have something to show what she does and everything. And yeah, that's my website. Thanks for watching the video.